So that there is the all-new Lincoln Navigator, brand new for 2018. This car is a big deal, and there's a lot I like about it. But here are 5 things that drive me mad about it. Cleaning a car is just one of the things you have to do as an owner, and as I get into these press vehicles, I like to return them as clean as what I got them. But in this car, I'm faced with a brand new set of challenges, and they come from specifically the front row seats with a 30-way adjustable padding. So typically a seat has a front and a back, and you would just clean those spaces. But because this seat moves and contorts in such interesting ways, you'll now open up to a whole new area where stuff is going to get. I mean, this space can easily get dusty up there and then down there. So I'm now introduced to so many new areas that I have to clean. The Navigator does use some nice materials like leather for the seats and wood up on the dashboard and on the center console. But the black plastic in here really isn't good at all. So it's in a few places on the center console and here on the back center console too. But in the back here, it is scratched up so badly that it's really quite disgusting to look at. This is a press vehicle, so it's been used quite abusively, it seems. But this car only has 5,200 kilometers on it. So how can it possibly be this bad this quickly? Now, the next sort of gripe I have with this car is the cost. So with this Navigator, the starting price here in Canada is just around $87,000. This exact model I have, though, is over $102,000. And this isn't even the extended wheelbase. You can get that for around $105,000. In America, there's also the option to get this car as the Black Label edition, and that adds even more money. Automatic stop-start. So this car does have it, and it works really well. But here's the problem. When you are at a stop and the engine is too cold, or it's too cold outside, whatever it is, the system won't engage. And the problem with that is you can really feel the vibration of the engine coming through the cabin. You can feel it in your seat, you can feel it on the center console here. The Lincoln Navigator will remind you that this is based on a truck platform. If you did have the intention of using the Navigator as a big cross-country tourer carrying 7 people and all their stuff, you might find that a bit of a challenge, because this is the boot space as you have it. It really isn't that big. For a comparison, here is my tripod case. So even for a vehicle this big, size isn't on your side. Now, that was pretty much everything I didn't like about the all-new Lincoln Navigator. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, because I've also got another video of 5 things I love about this car, and my full review will be coming later this week. So I hope to see you again here on the Drive Guide.